Here goes nothing. Okay. He left the lights on. See what happens anyway.
Whoa! Oh God! What the hell?
If I give you personal makeup, Carl.
Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa!
Are you all right, love?
Oh, dear. Oh my God! What the hell? What the hell are you doing?
I need to get you up.
Mentalist!
Oh, Eddie. Well, you need to get you up and about, mate.
Oh.
It's time to keep fit, you know. Anyway, we'll take it from here, guys. Anyway, we'll take it from here, guys. So, but yeah, peace out, y'all. Very funny, you.
See how you like.
Oh God, no way. Oh, joke's on me, I suppose. All right. Hope y'all have a great day, and the world is your ice cream oyster. This is me and Mandarin signing out. Mwah.